Okay, in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to back up all of the data that's on your EasyClaim program and export it as CSV files. So first thing before we get started is that you will need some sort of zipping program on your computer. I'm going to use this WinZip 14.0 program. You could just go to winzip.com and probably download it. There's a lot of free zipping files, and we're not actually going to be using this program directly, but you will need to have this program on your computer in order to zip and unzip the files. Also, you'll need to have Microsoft Access Database, or it's just Microsoft Access. Most computers come standard with that. So that's going to be it's part of the Microsoft Office package, and it's Microsoft Office Access. Okay, so to get started, I just made this folder called EasyClaim on my desktop, which will hold all the files. So we can go ahead and open up the EasyClaim program. And in this test example, I have 2 test patients. And what we're simply going to do is go up to the File menu at the top and select Backup, Restore Utilities, and select Backup Data. And go ahead and tell it which folder to save all the data in. And so that folder, it's going to be EasyClaim, and we're going to name the folder, and I'm just going to give it the name of today's date, and click Save, and click Backup Now. And that was pretty quick. Yours is probably going to take longer because you'll have a lot more data. And then when it's finished, just click OK. And we'll go ahead and close out of the program. So next, if we go to our file, the EasyClaim file, we're going to see the zip file that we just exported. And what we need to do is unzip this file. And that's where the WinZip program comes in behind the scenes. So you're going to right click and click Extract Here. And this is all the data unzipped, and it unzips into the Microsoft Office Access Database file type. So what you'll do here is double click this file and open it, and it's going to open in Microsoft Office Access. And you'll see on your left here, these are all the tables that have been backed up from the EasyClaim program. So for example, we're going to do the patient table. And you can see the 2 patients that we had in the EasyClaim program show up on the table here. So the next step is going to be to export this table as a CSV file. So for the EasyClaim program, you're going to have to do each of these tables individually, the process that I'm about to show you. So the example that I'm going to show you is with the patient table. So you'll go over to this tab up top called External Data, and you're going to go to this export section and click text file, and go ahead and click browse and find the folder on the desktop, the EasyClaim folder, which is right here, and down at the bottom, so go ahead and click and open that folder. And down at the bottom, you see the file name is patient table, and there's this .txt extension. Your file folder may or may not show that extension. If it does show the extension, go ahead and delete the txt and type in CSV. If it doesn't show the extension, go ahead and type in the .csv. And then you can see down at the bottom here that CSV file type shows up. And then you'll want to click Save. And go ahead and click OK. And this is fine. The default setting should be OK, so click Next. And this is also fine. Click Next. And this will show you where it's going to save it, and click Finish. OK, and close. And if we close out of Microsoft Office Access and we go to the folder, the Easy Claim folder, we can see that we now have the patient table in a CSV format. And what that CSV format is going to look like, just if you're curious, if you open it with a text editor like Notepad, what CSV stands for is comma separated values. So it's going to show all the values that we had in the table separated by commas. And these this should be all that you have to do. So once you have all of these tables saved as CSV files, then you can use the Therabil whatever program that they have to walk you through and set everything up. So that is all. Good luck, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Hopefully that helped you. Thanks.